Marĩ na matukuya arutwo aya kuma thukuru wa University ya Nairobi marokire kururungana kinyagia nja ya wabici cia ruhonge rwa kuheana ngombo cia University HELB makienda kumenya kiria kiraria kingi kuona gukinyiria riu kuri arutwo matari mamukira mbeca ciao cia mahuthiro. Mateta maya makoretwo magithii na mbere kwa ihinda mweri muhituku arutwo aya makiruta mukana wa gutabania mirurungano ya o muthenya kinyagia ruhonge rwa HELB rurekererie mbeca ciao.
We want them to disburse our funds because it is our salary. Right now these students, they can't even read. They can't eat 3 meals a day. They're now being forced to look for jobs to sustain themselves. If we had HELB, we would not have been here, we would have been in class. But because our stomachs have pushed us to come this outside to call for this fund, that's why we are here today.
Ruhonge rwa HELB ona kuhanura uguo rugite ni rwambiriirie kurekereria mbeca ici kuri arutwo aria ona kuhanura uguo maugite itirira makinyira.
So they've said that by Friday everyone will have their HELB. So we are waiting for that. Come Friday, if they don't have received, if they don't have disbursed all the funds, we'll be back on the streets just as we have come out today in large numbers.
We are tired of fake promises. Comrades, power! It is today or today. We are giving the government up to Wednesday, failure to which we are going to storm the HELB officer again. Comrades, power!
Maya magithiaga na mbere githagathago ni kiyumiririe umuthi thukuru-ini wa Technical University of Kenya thutha wa makirima arutwo gwikinya matanyite gwika igeranio indi mifango ino ya thata kurumirira mugomo uria urathii na mbere wa arutani na aruti wira university-ini ino.
It's very shameful. A deputy vice chancellor, a full professor, and we saw the VC moving around attempting to give an exam. How do you give my exam?
These are internal exams that are only moderated and examined and administered by the lecturers. So any other mode of administering those exams would have been highly illegal.
Kuringana na atongoria a kiama kia UASU na KUSU university-ini ino gutire mihango o yothe ibangitwo gukorwo igithii na mbere makiorota urugamiriri wa university ino ni kuhingisha arutwo.
They attempted to bring the police here very early in the morning at around 6, and they brought many policemen here and women. But how do you deal with 10,000? How?
Arutwo aria twaranirie nao maugite mugomo uria urathii na mbere ni uthararitie githomo makiuga kwa ihinda ria mieri iri gutire mathomo makoretwo magithii na mbere.
To begin our exams today, and we came here and there was nobody to supervise us. First, we can't do exam when our lecturers are not happy. We demand that our lecturers be sorted is when we can return and do the exams.
Students may not necessarily give a promise that they'll join the lecturers, but they are going to ensure that lecturers are paid by any means necessary, because we are paid school fees and there's no other reason, there is no any other rational phenomenon that should make the lecturers not come to university and teach.
Maundu university-ini no maroneka o guthii na mbere kwihiriria arutani na aruti wira makihita kaimana matiracokereria wira nginyagia riria thirikari ikamategera matu.
We are saying this for avoidance of doubt. We shall remain on strike even if it takes 10 years. It doesn't matter until our issues are addressed and sorted completely.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa WABICI-INI.